Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to go over a 2018 that we're gonna have on this video. It's a 2018 White Hawk 31 RL. So if you guys are in the market for a used or a new camper, hit me up, 214-926-6521. Let's dive into it. So 2018 White Hawk 31 RL, this is the front cap area. So you do have a nice fiberglass front cap. Nice big window there so you can see out of the bedroom. It's got an accordion blind. LED lights all inside the fiberglass cap there. Up front you do have a electric tongue jack. This is the jacket. Nice bike rack there. You can put two, 3, 4 bikes on that. You also have dual 30-pound propane tanks and your battery up front. Make our way to the storage area. Full pass-through storage. Does go all the way through to the other side. You have an easy table slot there you can put a table at. Also wanted to point out the electric jack. So you got 4-point electronic jacks on all corners of this coach. You do have a power jack button there and power jack button on the rear. You do have 2 dual awnings on this passenger side here. You do have a full electric awning with the LED strip and outdoor entertainment area on the slide out here. And then to finish off the rest of the coach, you do have another awning here. So 2 awnings gets the full length of the coach. So you probably have quite a good coverage of shade when you have all the awnings out. So you do have the Glacier package. You do have the Prep for Solar and the Tough Shell aluminum frame on this Jayco product. Here's your outdoor speakers. Does have the Furrion electronic package on it. Customer value package as well. And you do have a TV mount and plug-ins here if you wanted to do a TV on the outside underneath the awning as well. You also have a full-size spare, so no need for a small donut spare. This is a full-size spare, and it is the Goodyear brand tires that Jayco provides for you guys, and they do come with a manufacturer warranty. So you do have a full 2-year manufacturer warranty from Jayco. So a nice open floor plan concept, dual opposing slides, plenty of counter space in the kitchen. You do have cutting boards here. Nice residential sink style faucet that does pull down. Big pots and pans drawers. Cabinets up above. Plenty of kitchen area back here. Silverware drawers, another pots and pans drawer. And then here you do have your Norcold fridge, gas and electric. Switch to propane at night if the power goes out. Very useful. Again, it does have the Furrion entertainment system inside. So, you know, the Furrion products are not going to be able to be busted going down the road. They are tested for RV abuse going down the road in and out of the mountains. Bluetooth radio. It does play DVDs straight to the TV there. So another plus feature there. Nice triple-seater, full-size couch, and you do have the theater seating across from the TV there, and that is your jacket bike rack there on the to the left there. It does have the components to be able to use the bike rack on the front of the coach. Nice full-size shower. This is definitely a full-time size shower. Anyone who wanted to use this coach as a full-time product, you definitely have room to do so in the shower. You definitely have large medicine cabinet, wardrobe, toilet paper holders, whatever you guys want to put in the storage. There's tons of it in this style travel trailer. So over here to the left of the shower, you got plenty of cabinet space. You do have pass-through bathroom access. His and her cabinets on each side of the bed. And it is full walk around. This is an RV queen size bed. Very neat entryway here. You do have a 13.5 BTU AC inside the ceiling that's vented all the way through the coach. If you wanted to, you do have a 50 amp option. This is definitely a coach that can support 2 ACs. And the Texas heat down here, definitely want to consider that. So if you want the second AC, we can provide that for you guys. So this VIN number here is 8,027 pounds dry. And again, this is the 2018 White Hawk 31RL. It's a rear living floor plan, very nice trailer. If you guys are wanting to take advantage of a 2018 that we have on clearance, now's your time. It's January, so give me a call at 214-926-6521. That's my personal cell phone number. And if you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll have some more daily inventory for you guys.